My name is John Scherstedt. I am the CEO and founder of Universal Manufacturing Design and the manufacturer of One Gutter Guard and other products. One Gutter Guard is what we consider to be the gold standard in gutter protection products. In its quality, its performance, and its value, it is the high bar that we provide to the market for our dealer network and for our customers. One Gutter Guard came to be from a need in the market. The current products that are available today typically have a one-size-shoe-fit-all mentality. Our product was designed to meet a challenge, which was dealers, installers wanted to have versatility in the market and the products that they provided to their customers. Not all homes are the same, not all environments are the same, so we sought out to provide a product that would meet those needs and demands. I believe that One Gutter Guard separates itself in the market from its quality, the highest grade aluminum and stainless steel, from its design and its versatility. It's the first in market to have interchangeable mesh inserts. Also to the value. The market has many different products in it, but we feel like we fit right in the middle with a high quality product and a great performance product. The long-term expectation of a customer from One Gutter Guard is backed by our warranty and our guarantee. Not all companies provide warranty and guarantees. We do that from both its ability to perform, a performance warranty, and a material warranty. So when a customer picks out a product, they should make sure that they know what they're getting and what manufacturer is providing to them. There are many products, as we talked about, in the market, and we want to make sure that they're getting their quality, their performance, and the value that they expect. So what is next for Universal Manufacturing Design is to continue to innovate and design new products that set all our dealer network apart from the competition. If we continue to do that, then our dealers will be extremely happy to be able to provide the best products to their homeowners and continue to grow themselves. We want to make sure that the end customer, the homeowner, is getting provided with the highest quality products, but also the best customer service and long-term results. We are simply a manufacturing company to provide the tools for dealers to be able to do their job. And then it's upon the dealer to be able to provide the honesty, the integrity, and the professionalism to the homeowner. The Brothers franchise has put forth a system and a platform that promotes these three things. So it's quite simply, it is a platform for us to be able to feel secure that the product is going to be presented in the way that it should, to be installed the way it should, and to make sure that the customer in the end is having the product and the installation that they expect. My relationship with the Brothers franchise started with Ken and Ryan back in, I think, around 2017, when I believe that there was 4 locations and they were just beginning their journey into a franchise system. So we've had tremendous success with the Brothers franchise, as we all know. The expansion of the amount of franchises has obviously done wonders for them, but it has also done wonders for us in the sense that it promotes our brand as well and alongside with them. So the more that they're successful, the more that we are successful. And the branding of the Brothers franchise system and our high quality product, it's a wonderful parent. That's a great partnership that we value immensely and look forward to the future. I believe that Brothers That Just Do Gutters chooses One Gutter Guard as their premium product because they see the value and the quality of the product. There are many products in the market, as we know, but One Gutter Guard stands above the rest. The Brothers That Just Do Gutters want the best for their customers, and One Gutter Guard is the best product.